Welcome back, friends. It's time for Draw TV once again. This time we're working on the 4th page of Mercy, Queen of Luna by Wayne Judge. I've got the script. I've got the sketches. It's time for Draw TV. And page 4 is now completed for Mercy, Queen of Luna by Wayne Judge. And I had a lot of fun drawing this little character right here. That was a lot of fun. And I had fun drawing that. You can look for more of Wayne's writings in the comment section or down below in the description of the video. There's a link. And besides working with Wayne Judge, who's one of the many writers I've worked with over the years, Another writer I work with quite frequently is Mr. Dave Goode. And you might have seen promotions for his stuff pretty much on a lot of our videos. And he and I put together Judo Comics. I mean, he wrote the story and created the characters. I did all the illustration and whatnot. And here's a picture of me and Dave on the back here from a few summers ago. And this is Dr. Judo, and it is available at Indie Planet. And it is a fun little comic done in like a Bronze Age 50 style, story wise. The artwork's kind of like hit and miss because that crazy Vance Capla guy. That's me. But it's neat and fun. It's on Indie Planet. You can also get Judo Comics over at Lulu.com. And there's a link for that down below in the description. And sometime this summer, this is going to be moved. We're going to have this also on Indie Planet. It's just going to be a little bit longer. But these are fun things. I hope you're able to find them and get them. And remember, if you want to see more of Mr. Wayne Judge's writing, like Scar the Barbarian and other fun things, what you want to do is just click on the links down below in the description. You'll be able to do that. For my own stuff, there's a link always for that. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next Draw TV. God bless.
Vance Capla is a self-taught artist who has worked in various mediums, including drawing, painting, and graphic design for over 20 years. He now has his designs here on TeePublic. Old school, unique, stylish. He is also available to help you with your original TeePublic designs. Make sure you visit Vance Capla Art 1972 at teepublic.com. You'll be glad you did.